How you can see that when you started following someone into your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram, and here you have to go and open up the account that which you want to see when you started following them. So you just have to open up their account, and here you have to click on these three dots that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go in the see shared activity. Now as you can see that here in the shared activity there is the option that when you started following them into your Instagram, and then they started following you on the Instagram. So this is how you can see that when you started following someone and when they started following you. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.